The man accused of murdering 10 people in a hateful rampage in a Buffalo supermarket appeared before a judge today and faced the victims' families.
For us to get any kind of solace, which for many families will never happen. But the way that this is going is just more has to happen than him going to jail.
Good evening, I'm Don Alhide. The victims' loved ones were in the courtroom as Payton Gendron pleaded not guilty this afternoon. Chase Howell is live in Buffalo now with the latest on this investigation and the court appearance today. Chase?
Yeah, it was a very emotional scene inside the courtroom today. Family members of the victims shook their head in disbelief and cried when the defense entered their not guilty plea on all 25 charges. Some family members say they just want justice to be served. Family members of Pearl Young and Margus Morrison, 2 of the 10 killed in the mass shooting at a Tops in Buffalo, say they are angry that accused killer Payton Gendron could walk into the courtroom Thursday and claim he's innocent.
I realize it will take some time for him to be brought up and these charges to be completed and for us to get any kind of solace, which for many families will never happen. But the way that this is going is just more has to happen than him going to jail, period.
Erie County District Attorney John Flynn says Gendron was initially charged with 1 count of first-degree murder on May 20th, a big enough charge to encompass the 10 killed. But instead, he charged the accused killer with 10 counts in honor of all the victims. The 18-year-old is also charged with domestic terrorism motivated by hate, a first for New York.
I need to prove that 5 or more individuals were murdered with the intent of it being racially motivated.
Buffalo Mayor Byron Brown says it may be a new month here in Buffalo, but the tragedy that happened on May 14th is something the community won't soon forget.
10 precious members of our community were murdered, 3 others wounded, and our entire community traumatized by a racist, hate-filled outsider who came to our community with the stated intent to kill as many black people as possible.
Both Mayor Brown and the district attorney made one thing clear Thursday.
That outsider filmed his actions on social media and put it out for the world to see. The wheels of justice are turning very swiftly.
When you hear the phrase, throw the book at someone, well, in this case right here, the defendant just got war and peace.
The district attorney says because of a gag order, they can't talk at length about the evidence against the accused killer. An evidence hearing is set for July 7th.
Today is the final day of this year's legislative session. A number of hot-button issues are still on the line, including gun control in the wake of these recent tragedies. CBS 6's Lindsay Smith explains.
Taking a look at gun control, Governor Kathy Hochul introduced a 10-bill package earlier this week pertaining to gun control measures here in New York. The package would strengthen measures that came in the 2013 New York State SAFE Act. Lawmakers are also looking to tighten the existing red flag law, which requires guns be kept away from people deemed to be a danger to themselves or others. Supporters of stricter gun control laws say this would be a major step towards keeping New Yorkers safe, but opponents say the measures would have no beneficial effect.
My heart breaks for the families. Unfortunately, I too know their pain, and it's the most horrific thing for a parent to find out that their child was killed and shot in their school.
Turning our attention to abortion rights, a package of legislation was introduced earlier this week, and it includes about 6 bills in it. The package, introduced by Democrats, aims to strengthen New York's already robust protections for abortion. This comes after a leaked draft opinion was made public regarding the U.S. Supreme Court in favor to overturn Roe v. Wade. With the prospect of the 1973 decision potentially being overturned, the state legislature has already approved several measures to protect abortion rights. Republicans in the Senate oppose these measures. The governor has already stated that the state will spend millions of dollars to help abortion service providers upgrade their facilities for security, as well as expand with the anticipation of more women coming to the state seeking the procedure. It remains clear at this time whether lawmakers will advance or put forth more action.